This is the UTX-70 Dagger from Microtech. The UTX-70, named for being 70% smaller than their popular Ultratech model, is the most compact and high-quality OTF automatic knife on the market. The Microtech name excites fantasies of wicked edges and powerful automatic action, and amazing American designs. Though the UTX-70 is small, once it's in your hand, you'll see those fantasies transform into reality. The blade is 2.375 inches long and is made of Microtech's premium steel. Bead blasted with a bronze apocalyptic finish, this dagger is sharpened on both sides and ready to work. The handle is sleek, black-anodized aluminum with a thumb slide opener on the side for automatic opening and closing. It comes with a bronze apocalyptic-finished pocket clip for secure carry. The UTX-70 is the perfect knife to tuck away in your breast pocket for fancy events, use for everyday cutting tasks, or just open a letter with mad style. It's fidgety, well-made, tough, razor-sharp, and ready to live up to the hype. You can pick yours up at the link in the description. Hey, thanks for watching. Let me know what you think of the Microtech UTX-70 in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for new knife releases. You can also follow Blade HQ on social media and sign up for a newsletter down below. We'll catch you in the next one.